The region's epicenter of excellence is Bicol University. It is more than just a university. It's a place to learn and grow, a stepping stone to achievement. It creates a better opportunity for every student that goes through its doors. By excellence in study, research, service, and leadership, it hopes to inspire and improve lives. Bicol University is here to help every student along the road to becoming a whole person. They assist every student to accomplish their own best via education, personal development, and growth by focusing on the four pillars of leadership, scholarship, character, and service. The university has been and will always continue to be a part of every student's experience. Students benefit from their achievement and everything that they provide as they pick Bicol University to be a part of their journey and a contributor to their achievement because of their success and all that they have to offer. The university is made up of various campuses that provide various majors. One of the campuses that strives to provide a holistic education for students interested in pursuing a career in the field of business to develop exceptional professionals is the College for Business Economics and Management. It offers a comprehensive business institution for all types of students. Let us see the beauty of BSA Accountancy and Bicol University through the lens of our character. What is BSA Accountancy and why bother choosing it? Kung ako ang tatanungin, hindi ako sigurado sa daang tatahakin ko. Ngunit naniniwala ako na may dahilan kung bakit ako naririto. Bakit ako nag-accountancy? Bakit nga ba? Alam ko na. Pangarap ko siya noong bata pa ako. Nung nakita ko yung tita at pinsan ko na successful as CPA, parang mas naging sigurado ako na ito talaga yung course na gusto ko. And yun nga, gusto ko rin makatulong sa iba para maging financially stable. Ganun. As a child who dreamed of becoming a businesswoman, I thought that this kind of field would enhance my critical thinking in terms of decision making. That is why I fought for it. In the first place, it was my mistake of not knowing BSA being a huge circle of subjects, combining my weaknesses such as taxation, law, and accounting. Truth be told, I actually didn't have an intense drive for this path. It wasn't anything like I have dreamed it to be. And around the time that I was deciding on a program to take up in college, I just felt like I could sign myself up for it, and I thought I could manage it since it was a direct jump from ABM, which was a senior high school strat. Plus, of course, the perks of being an accountant, it enticed me a lot. I did believe and would always believe that the opportunities here are endless. How about your experiences as a BSA student? Can you tell me about it? In terms of experiences naman, it's equivalent to drowning and getting help only when you've stopped breathing. Kidding aside, it's incredibly hard on my end as I do really struggle a lot. There would be times that I find myself thinking what it could have been if I got into a different degree program. I sometimes feel terribly small and lacking as an accounting student, paired up with the feeling of being fairly average one. Sa journey ko sa program na to, mahirap siya, as in mahirap talaga, considering the course itself is already hard. Also thinking about the obligations and time na nahahati, which would be yung obligation ko and priority ko as a student and as a daughter. So, talking about the future it is. Yes, the future looks vague, to be honest. I am not sure if I'd be an accountant by a long shot, but looking far into the future, the vision is clear. Me bagging that CPA title. Having a specific vision of yourself, seeing myself as a CPA, would and could really help me thrive and be motivated in achieving my goals. Alam mo, minsan madalas sumasagi sa isipan ko rin na yun nga, yung iba, iniisip ko kung paano ako magtatrabaho, tapos kung ano na ako ka-successful in life. And you know what, kailangan mo din isipin or imagine na CPA na tayo, ganun. Kasi minsan, ito din ang nagiging inspirasyon mo natin na magpursige nga para kamitin yung mga pinapangarap natin. Kasi honestly, mahirap. Sobrang mahirap na minsan, hindi natin alam kung kaya pa ba or kung kakayanin pa. Bakit ka pa patuloy na lumalaban? Honestly, it was my inner self who wanted to thrive and pursue to become the best version of myself. I found core in this field. I chose BSA, therefore I take fully responsibility for pursuing it. I am practical because I am not rich, knowing that the opposite of success is not failure, but the loss of courage to fight back. The idea of time passing by is comforting. The horrors of life that I face, they too shall pass. I'll see the end of my struggles. This thought is what keeps me going. I can't wait to be a working adult, a CPA for that matter. I'd like to see myself where I would be if I hadn't given up. On top of it all, my mother has always picked me up from the slump I'm in. She has been working so hard for my studies, and I would want to make her happier by seeing me getting that hard-earned title. Para sa pamilya at sa future ko. I know how hard life is, especially kung financially unstable ka. Kaya gusto ko maging successful to help my family and para rin mapalitan ko yung hirap ng parents ko. Kaginhawaan, that would be the right term. And also to help other people na din. Nasa mindset ko kasi na minsan, the dreams that you would have would turn into reality if we ourselves keep on working and fighting and stepping forward to reach for it. Kung hindi ka gagalaw at sumuko ka na dahil mabigat yung problema mo, hindi ka makakarating doon sa goal or finish line na gusto mong matapos. So yun, lagi natin tatandaan. Why Bicol University? As we dream, we need to choose an institution that would provide us with the quality of learning that we yearn for. Bicol University, for me, provides free education with a lesser amount of money that we pay in college. It would help our family for better. You won't have to worry about paying tuition fees as long as you maintain good grades. Bicol University is a great place to discover your passion, find your purpose, and become more than you thought you could be. Dagdag lang, paano mo kinakaya? Yung course mo in life in general. In this lifetime, stepping forward is the right way to continue, despite trial and errors. Choosing to move one step at a time, and it would really help to gain then a bigger out. But truth be told, I honestly don't know how I'm holding up. Life does wonders. I guess I adhere to what happens, and I have a bunch of kind people who believe in what I can do. The things I love outside accounting also makes life and school better. One should have interests not related to accounting naman, and this is highly recommended. They kind of lift my weight off my shoulder, but as time passes, I am beginning to see that by balancing things, especially sa ACATS, if pagod na ako, pahinga muna. Hindi ko dinidrain yung sarili ko at minsan nililibang ko sarili ko by doing things like what I want, such as watching vlogs or dramas or any activities na makaka-relax talaga sa akin for a few hours. Also, believing in myself that I could do it and trusting God's plan. Also, I do get motivation naman from people around me who trust my capabilities and inspire me to be better with my abilities. Why BSA? BSA offers many opportunities which other programs may not have. It can be an interesting field once you get the hang of it. BSA will give you the foundation and knowledge that professional accountants should have. This will give you chances and winnings, chances of having a great career path, and a competitive advantage that will make you a winner once you become successful, since this will provide you a great life. With this degree in accountancy, you'll be better prepared for the job market and be more successful. BSA Accountancy, for me, promotes a long-term investment in financial stability. As you graduate and become CPA, big opportunities would come in. And in the long process, BSA teaches the real message in this life: to adjust, to adopt, to accept. Learning is utmost priority. So, before we end this session, ano naman yung gusto mong sabihin sa mga aspiring accounting students? No matter how hard this course is, huwag kang susuko at patuloy mong ilaban ang pangarap mo. Kung pagod ka, magpahinga, pero huwag kang bibitaw sa pangarap mo na nasimulan mo na. Remember that sipag at tiyaga ang puhunan para sa kaligayahan at matagumpay na buhay. Also, learn to appreciate small steps since it's still a process and you are still progressing. Mahalin mo ang course mo and especially sarili mo. But remember, health is your number one wealth. Next would be to always trust the process and trust God. But please, don't be too hard on yourself. Leave a mark. 100% in everything you do. Do remember then na you have to regularly sharpen. If mapudpod ang lapis, tasahan mo. Just like life, failure follows success. Kapag napudpod ka na, you need to re-sharpen. Walang tao na talo kapag imalaban. Third, accept that BSA is difficult, but take time to dwell on the heartbreaks that it would give you. They can actually build character naman. Take it up if you're willing to endure and if you don't mind delayed gratification. Take reading seriously. I've made some mistakes such as not doing this, and I would hope that it could save you. Taking reading seriously would actually save you a lot of trouble. Listen to your body. As I've said before, health comes first. And number 4, malayo ka pa, pero malayo ka na. And that is how I see Bicol University and BSA Accountancy. A team decided to make a project of promotional video be in the form of a short film revolving on the main character who is a BSA student of Bicol University, because what better way to promote it is than show reality itself. All above mentioned questions were answered by all members with honest truth, as it would help our story be raw and unique. In A Team, we value integrity, honesty, and accountability. Thank you for watching and do enjoy other shows. We would like to thank the following and give credits to the following: